Are you still struggling to tie your headwrap style? Come closer. Let me show you how you can achieve a beautiful Ankara headwrap style. This is a 2 yards Ankara fabric. So I fold it in 2 to 2 and then I bring it forward like this. I haven't done anything special. See the way I hold it? Then I bring it like this and cross it. Okay? So the way I cross it snugly. Okay. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to open it up like this so that I can use the excess fabric to cover the back like this. So I'm going to do that by tucking this in. Pay attention, just watch the way I'm doing it. It's very simple. Anybody can do it. Okay. So now our back is covered. If you know me by now, you will know that I don't like to use pen with my gele style unless if it is needed. I try to minimize the use of pen. So now, see this, left the one hand, you're going to open it up like this and fold it to your desired length. So it's like I flip it over into two. And then you try to reduce the hack. If it's too much, pull it like this before you roll it. Check it. Is that height enough for you? If it's too big, reduce it. If it is okay, that's good. If you want it higher, adjust the material. So I'm going to take it like this and tuck in the excess on the right side. And I'm going to repeat the same thing for the left side. I'm just making sure that it's well snug in my hair. Okay, see? I tuck in at the back. And here we have it. A pinless, yet simple and beautiful Ankara headwrap style. Will you be giving this a try? Yes, you can do it. It is very simple. Let's add some touch of gold jewelry. Okay. And that's it. Thanks for watching African Beautiful Fashion and Lifestyle. I bring easy headwrap tutorial to your attention on a daily basis. Do endeavor to follow, share, and be on the lookout for another simple DIY Ankara headwrap style, turban style, gele style, Owambe style, church style, name it. My queens that are asking for Sego Gele tutorial, this simple style is for you. I did not use a single pen. So come closer and watch how I achieve this beautiful and simple Sego Gele style for your Owambe party. And that's it. That's how you achieve your beautiful Sego Gele pinless style for any occasion of your choice. Thanks for watching African Beautiful Fashion and Lifestyle. Follow me for more tutorial and don't forget to share.